I'm not gonna lie, it's just not as satisfying as a fry. It's really not. But I feel good about it. I know I'm not gonna feel like shit later. And it's progress. And feel free to drop any tips and tricks on the comment section for me to use, because I would absolutely love that, and there's a good guarantee that I will actually use it. And yeah, so just keep watching. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully by summertime I'm down 50 pounds, and 6 months after that hopefully I'm down another 50. So 100 pounds, 1 year. Let's get it. So I just want to let you guys know I do have a strapless swimsuit on, so don't worry, I'm not naked. But I am 6 pounds down, 6.6 pounds down. It's day 18, and you can tell for sure in my neck and my face.